Essex Skypark traffic, Cessna 95 Alpha is departing 34 Essex.
Citation 395 Whiskey Juliet.
Whiskey 42.
Runway at Echo, ready for departure.
Alright, C500 Whiskey Juliet, roger. Flag on landing, maintain 3000. Runway 33, you're cleared for takeoff. No delay, traffic's at Archer on a 2-mile final.
Turn right, direct to Falstead, Cessna 95 Alpha.
Oh, look, a train.
Okay, so we're going to Whiskey 42, and then we're going to Whiskey 42, and then we're going to Kilo Mike Quebec Sierra.
Oh, Whiskey 42 is a waypoint?
Yeah, it's Falston Airport.
Where's our destination?
Kilo Mike Quebec Sierra.
Okay.
Actually, this was supposed to be painted on there, but they forgot to. So they made that little thing and just stuck it on there.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too, so.
I like the texture. What were you saying?
Chester County is the same frequency as Essex.
Oh. Cool. Wait, so that's Cambridge, Westminster, Chester County, and Essex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see Falston.
Huh?
I see Falston.
You do?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yep.
He said I'm just a spectator today because it's too windy.
Yeah.
And then I texted, when it's windy, I just fly into fences.
You did what?
I just fly into fences.
You were flying what?
I just fly into fences.
I ain't hearing you.
I just fly into fences.
Oh.
Traffic 3790 on base, runway 34. Archer is downwind.
We're coming up to the Susquehanna River, bud.
Cambridge traffic, section 154, so Victor's on downwind, runway 34, Cambridge traffic. I'm in the traffic, 134, that's 100 miles.
Where is the state line? This map has a lot of lines on it.
I got a feeling this line right here.
7X is on a 2-mile final, 34 Cambridge.
Yeah, 1.7. 3 miles north of one.
Actually, I think it is recording because there's a red flashing light right here.
279 Juliet, the final runway 34.
I bet that remote has a red light flashing, which I bet means it's recording. I'll look down and see if the people around here have a well or county one.
County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1617 Zulu. Wind 330 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 4100. Temperature 06. Dew point 01. Altimeter 3000. Remarks. Density altitude -410.
Chester County traffic, Cessna 5895 Alpha is about 10 miles out on a 45 degree for downwind to 29, Chester County.
I see that decathlon.
You do?
Yep.
Where's he at?
The traffic sky is crossing 3 Hammond.
Chester County traffic, Cessna 95 Alpha is entering downwind 29, Chester County. All of a sudden, there's a million Chester County traffic, AT0763 3 miles north of the field, we're flying 2,500 feet to the right, teardrop left downwind, Chester County. Left downwind. Chester County traffic, AT0766 reporting midfield, we entering a right teardrop to the left downwind 29, Chester County. Uptown Heritage, Bonanza, 10 miles, straight in, 28 on the RNAV, Heritage.
Essex Skypark, for the final 3.
Chester County traffic, Warrior 77 Victor, heading goes left downwind 29, County.
Chester County traffic, Cessna 95 Alpha's final 29, Chester County.
Oh, I found 2 other guys.
Did?
Right up there.
Camera still there?
Yeah. About to slow down.
Huh?
About to slow down and shake.
Chester County traffic, Warrior 77 Victor, Tango, turning left base 29.